Hi everyone. Uh, what you are seeing right here is a quick release vise I made. Sometime I finished this year. So I owned this vise for a long time. It was previously a moxon vise. Now I converted it to a quick release. And the most amazing thing about this quick release vise is that it actually uses a very simple mechanic, which is just two nuts on each side filed at an angle, as you'll see later. So first let's show it on this side. Now it works the same on both sides. So all I have to do is unscrew it. Screw it on this side. Now once it's unscrewed enough, you can actually release it at an angle, and once it's released at an angle, it slides easily. So now I can fit a block of wood. Alright, so it goes something like this, and all I have to do now is just screw it. And I'm doing this right now with one hand, so it looks like I'm struggling, but it's actually much easier once I'm doing actual work. And I do the same here. I simply screw it, and the mortise, or the hole that I dug here, actually forces this kind of wooden washer, if you will, to actually tighten into place. And because I'm using a very thick piece of leather, I actually don't have to tighten it that much, just decent enough, and this is good enough to saw or plane. And then I'm going to show you how it actually works, as in how I filed those two nuts on each side at an angle. So I'm gonna unscrew this again. So I'm gonna try to be careful here because I'm using one hand. Right. So if I release the whole screw, this part is actually a hole, but it has a slot to allow the screw to actually angle. But the most important part is actually this part, which is actually two nuts are epoxied at an angle. So all this mess you see right here, it looks ugly, but it works fine, and most of the time you can't see it. I can actually make it much prettier by coating another layer of gray epoxy over this one, make it look better. So you can see it is filed on the left side here, but if you look at the other side, you can see it's filed on the right side. So that means my screw can actually move at an angle, but once it's forced into place with that mortise, it forces it to engage with the rod. It forces it to engage with the half filed nut. So that makes it work like magic. And as you can see, this project has been on my mind for a long time. Custom made a quick release. First I decided on a spring powered one, but it was too weak. Then I saw this Japanese YouTube video on one that uses gravity, and this is inspired by that Japanese quick release video. but instead of using gravity, it uses a mortise in the shape of this wooden washer, and it forces in. And the great thing about this custom build is that I can refine it and I can replace any part anytime, and it works like magic. Alright, so that's it, and that's just a quick update since I'm not doing much anything these days. I just want to show you the two projects that I've come up with recently. Thanks for watching, and bye.